Hi, on the customer service and logistics. The most companies consider customer service to be an important aspect of their business. When a present, however, there are many companies that find it difficult to describe exactly what they mean by customer service and provide the price definition on customer service and measuring. Another relevant factor in the reckoning on the complexity of the customer service provision. Customer service is inextricably linked in the process of distribution. In logistics, while the process, there are many influences that might be relevant on customer service. The importance of customer service already you suggest there are few companies that do not recognize the importance and purpose of good customer service. But what is the so important? There are many different. The companies on customer service, the related companies on customer service can be classified in different ways. Basic services model. And very simple. Just effective view and service quality in the match between what the customer expects and what the customers experience. And first, the extended service model. A rather more complex approach can also be used a conceptual model. On services quality, this particular useful helping to identify and measure the critical element of the sale for case and customers. Develop and customer service policy. Every company that provides products and the service to end consumers should have a appropriate consumer private policies. Level of customer service. It has already been stressed that there is a need to balance the level of customer service by the cost and providing the service. Measuring customer service is provided critically from the read this chapter that there are several different measuring customer service and they might be used. The most important in measuring is whatever. Measuring customer service is probably critically from reading this chapter that there are several different measures of customer service that might be used. The most important message is the whatever. The customer service explosion. The role of customer service and crystal success factor the most companies has. Once again, become very significant. There are the first many different reasons for this reason in the important, but the major change the stem from ongoing wrestling the saying the customer is scale to achieve the company's success.